Greetings, math fans. Alright, so what I'm going to do is do the review sheet here with you guys. This is very similar to what the test is going to be like. Alright, so let's get started here. In problem 1, 2, give the equation in slope-intercept. Okay, so you really need to watch what form I'm asking for. Okay, it's really important because if you don't get the right form, you're going to lose points, and it's a brutal way to to lose points here. So again, what they say here is slope-intercept form. So you know it's going to be y equals mx plus b. Now this is easy. Easiest problem I could possibly give you. I give you the slope and I give you the y-intercept. So it's y is equal to negative 4x plus 5.5. That's easiest I can do here. This next one is actually it's not drawn in here, but these are the points that are given. Let me just draw them real quickly. Giving you this point, and I'm giving you this point, and I'm drawing a line between them. Okay, so right away I know my slope is positive, but even without that, don't you guys agree that this point right here is the y-intercept? So isn't b is equal to negative 2, right? So you don't even have to do point slope form. You just know that y-intercept is negative 2, and I can go up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't you guys agree my slope is 2/5? So my equation is y is equal to 2/5 x minus 2. Again, it's always nice when I hand you the y-intercept, math fans. Okay? Graph and give the equation of the line in slope-intercept form for the line through 4, negative 4 with a slope of 1/2. So first of all, I'm giving you a graph, a piece of graph paper here. So we're going to plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the point, and the slope is 1/2. So what I'm going to do here, I think probably the best way to go about doing this is put it in point slope form. Okay, so we're going to do y plus 4, opposite, right, equals negative 1/2 times x minus 4. So you get y plus 4 equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. And subtract 4 from both sides. So y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. So that's actually my answer. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. Now, just out of curiosity, you see here I have 4, negative 4, and if my slope is down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, but I can always go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Oh, look at that! Okay, so look at the y-intercept is. My y-intercept is right here, negative 2. Okay, so just a kind of a way to check it. All right, number 4, graph and give the equation in point slope form. Now that's really nice if it's point slope form, but let's graph it here first. It's negative 3, 1, 2, negative 3, negative 5, and 1, comma 3. So that's your equation. Okay, and let's figure some of this stuff out here. So the slope is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So slope is, that's plus, it's 8 over 4, which is 2. So let's just for the heck of it, let's just check it. We go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, so that was good. And then I asked you for point slope form, so that's really easy. I actually have two answers, right? I can say y plus 5 is equal to 2 times x plus 3. Or I can say y minus 3 equals 2 times x minus 1. One of those two would work. Okay, and if I ask you for slope-intercept form, there's your y-intercept again. Kind of nice. All right, so either one of these is your answer. All right, remember, math fans, when I'm giving you an x-intercept and a y-intercept, these are just like giving you coordinates. X-intercept is 5, 0, and the y-intercept is 0, 3. So can't you just find the slope by using the yaws? So y2, so it's 3 and 0, and 0 and 5. So 3 over negative 5, which is negative 3/5. And how do you find your y-intercept? There it is. I gave it to you. So it's actually asking for slope-intercept form, so y equals negative 3/5 x plus 3. Okay? Because, again, remember these are coordinates, so I can plot 0, 3, and I can plot 5, 0. And that's your equation between the two. And you could check the slope, go down 3 over 5, so negative 3/5, and there's your y-intercept too. Okay, so let's try another one here. Again, they're asking you to put it in slope-intercept form. So my slope is y2 and my 1 and x2, x1. So it's going to be 4 over 2, which is 2. And we'll pick a point. We can use, let's just pick the second one. So it's y plus 1 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. So y plus 1 equals 2x minus 2. Subtract 1. Y equals 2x minus 3. And if I plot those points, negative 1, negative 5, and 1 comma negative 1. And the slope was 2, so isn't that up 2 over 1? Up 2 over 1, so here's your slope. And notice there's your y-intercept, math fans. And there it is. Y-intercept was negative 3, and the slope was 2. Okay? One more here. Slope is y2, so 5 and negative 1, and negative 6 and 3. So it's going to be 6 over negative 9, which is negative 2/3. So y, let's use the first point, y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 x minus 3. So y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 x. If I multiply negative 2/3 times negative 3, I get positive 2. Subtract 1, so y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. And if I plot those 2 points, 3, negative 1, and negative 6, negative 6 comma 5, those are the 2 points. So if my slope is negative 2/3, so if I go from this point right here and I go down 2 over 3, down 2 over 1, 2, 3, down 2 over 1, 2, 3. Ah, look at this, my y-intercept, plus 1, and down 2 over 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it all kind of works out, but it's a great way to check it, math fans. Okay, the next ones are write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form if possible. What I mean by if possible is if you have BAM problems, you're just going to write a y equals or an x equals. Okay, and look for stuff here. If you got to use Yox, that's cool. Okay, but I want you guys to understand I have a negative 4 and a negative 4 for x. So what does that mean? X equals negative 4. Now if I try to find the slope, this is what would happen. I would get 2 and negative 1 and negative 4 and negative 4. That would give me 3 over 0, which is undefined. Now I don't want, if you give me an answer of undefined, I'm going to mark it wrong. Because look what I'm asking. I'm asking to write an equation. I'm not saying, hey, find the slope for me. I'm saying find the equation. So make sure you give me, if it's undefined, you know it's x equals. But again, our little trick here is notice that they're both a negative 4. So look at the next one. What do you know about this? Okay, they're both 1. So y equals 1. Now we have some nice little friendly things here. Parallel, well, that means same slope. So slope is 3, going through 6, negative 2. Okay, and this is a slope-intercept form. So we're going to do point slope form first. So it's y plus 2 equals m times x minus 6. So y plus 2 equals 3x minus 18 minus 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 20. Okay, it's not too bad. Okay, perpendicular. Keyword, your slope is 3. Perpendicular slope is negative 1/3. And here's your point. So it's y plus 2 equals negative 1/3 times x minus 6. So y plus 2 equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. Subtract 2. Y equals negative 1/3 x. Please don't tell me plus 0. It's y equals negative 1/3 x. Okay, another band problem, math fans. There it is. Okay, first of all, it's parallel to that. If it's parallel, it's got to be another x equals. What does x equal? Negative 2. Another band problem. Another band problem. Okay, and it's perpendicular. So perpendicular means y equals 2. If perpendicular, an x equals and a y equals are perpendicular. What does y equal? 3. Okay, it's pretty mellow, but you got to follow all those rules, math fans, and you'll be good to go. Okay, but you got to study for this and do well in this next test. All right, that's it, math fans. Have a great day. Adios. Goodbye.